Today, we will be doing a graphic liner look. Starting with the brows, use an angle brush to fill them in. Then, brush them out with a spoolie. Apply a coat of brow gel to keep them in place all day long. Use a matte concealer to prime the lids. Lightly set them with some powder. Using a fluffy blending brush, apply a light pink shadow in the crease and blend it out towards the brows. Now, draw a wing using a black eyeliner. As a guideline, you can draw some dots along your eye. Connect the dots and follow the shape of your eye just above the crease. It doesn't have to be perfect. Using slow strokes, even it out. Now, with a small taper brush, take a deeper pink and apply it just above the liner. Take a small fluffy brush to blend it. Use your fingers to dab a satin finish shade onto your lid. Then, use a concealer to conceal and highlight the under eyes. Set with some powder. Contour your forehead and jawline to add dimension to your face. Also, contour your nose. Apply blush to your cheeks for a flush of colors. Apply highlighter on the highest points of your face. Now, apply pink shadow on your lower lash line. Apply highlighter to the inner corner of the eyes and the brow bone. Line your lips using a darker shade. Finishing the look with a creamy nude liquid lipstick. And here it is, a wearable graphic liner. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.